Hello friends, we are going to see the demo of the concatenation operator in Python. I'm using the Python idle interactive mode. Concatenation operator used to concatenate two strings. For example, I'm having a string hello. I'm using concatenation plus operator and another string world. See, the concatenation operator concatenates the two strings hello and world and give it as a one single string. Likewise, you can attach any string. For example, I'm attaching a string A and another string 5. So A5. So in this manner, we are able to attach two strings using concatenation operator. When you're using with the numerals, using the plus symbol with the numerals like an integer or a float, it will perform addition. For example, 5 plus 4, it will give a 9. Similar way, you should be very cautious in using this concatenation operator. We can use it with two strings, it will concatenate it. Can use it with the two numerals, it will add it. But when you're using like this, for example, I'm having a plus 5. So this is a string, this is a numeral. You can't use like this. It will throw a error. So concatenation operator is an operator which is used to attach or concatenate two operand string. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.